Un divertiment con Anatina live e direct dell'Open Air.
As the sleeper, how it is to be awake. Will we dreaming or will we give up our game? For many reasons, we can be the ones to pretend that we're all kids living in the sleeper's heads. As the desert, how it is to wait for rain in the meadow, overheated of no gain. For many seasons, we can be the ones to pretend that we're all good, living in the weather's hands. As the devil, how it is to live enough after midnight, counting hours on and on in his prison, caught up in the name of his rule. That he's all good, living as his own fool. Schönen guten Abend am Netz. Es freut uns riesig, dass wir heute da sein dürfen. So ein kleiner Traum, der in Erfüllung geht. Ja, wir reden nicht allzu viel, wir haben nur 30 Minuten Zeit. Viel Spaß für unserem Konzert. You were a great man, and you lived in your then. There was nothing but you, there lived no one but you. You were alone the entire, and couldn't imagine that my flowers can blossom inside. Flowers can blossom inside. He changed his whole life, his old thoughts, his old lies. He wears colors inside. You see colors in his eyes. He begins to realize as he leaves shadows behind. Flowers can blossom inside. Flowers can blossom inside. Flowers can blossom inside. blossom inside. He opens his eyes. He is ready to rise. He is ready to fly. His soul is getting wise. He spreads his wings and flies. Fly.
Merci vielmals.
Danke vielmals. Oh wow, so cool, sind schon so viele da zuhören. Das nächste Lied, das wir spielen, ist eines von unseren ganz frischen und es heißt Keep You. Viel Spaß.
Come bring it on, just for the show. We can be hot, we can be cold. The taste of your love is so bittersweet. In the name of love, to feel complete.
You play it cool on restless eyes. I play the fool, sing you lullabies. We can feel good, be my sweetest crime. In the name of love, for the good times.
Come along and show me how to misbehave. I always play it safe. If you could see me now and all the things that I crave, come and turn the light out so we can see a little more. No, you don't need to hide out. Oh, I keep you in my heart for sure. Oh, I keep you in my heart for sure.
You could be the light.
I stand in your rays,
Do you feel the pride
carry in my veins.
to shine a bit more?
Be my brightest day.
I'll keep you for sure when we're swept away.
Come along and show me how to misbehave. I always played it safe. If you could see me now and all the things that I crave, come and turn the light out so we can see a little more. No, you don't need to hide out. Oh, I keep you in my heart for sure. I keep you in my heart for sure.
RTL, sintonia da festivals. Direct dal Open Air Lumnezia.
Wir werden mal ein bisschen ruhiger. Das nächste Lied kennen vielleicht die einen oder anderen. Es ist von unserer EP und es heißt Ghost. Ganz viel Spaß. In every mirror hides a ghost, a lifeless creature looking for the way. Where is she next to go? She feels quite lost, she feels quite cold. There's nothing left to say. She walks the street feeling cold. She's getting colder every night. Every night. All she needs is a little warmth, a little light for her inside. And she just caught a cold. There's nothing left she gets to know. She's getting lost more and more. She hurts herself on it slow. Now she can't feel no more. And he knows, oh he knows. It's written in the depths of her eyes. If somebody really wants to know, too many times she lied awake at night. These are the stories she never told. And when her faith is long gone, she slowly fades away. She's got nothing left to say. This lifeless girl was once so strong. Tell me what the hell went wrong. It's the story she never told. It's the pain, but no one knows. And she just caught a cold. There's nothing left she gets to know. She's getting lost more and more. She hurts herself on this soul. Now she can't feel no more. And he knows, oh he knows. Oh, boy, boy, why didn't you do anything? You know that she is too fragile. She is too fragile. She is too fragile for this. Oh, but why, boy? Why did you do this to her? You know that she is too fragile. She is too fragile. Oh, she is too fragile.
Danke vielmals.
forlorn. Soon we'll see our hearts are turning. In the eye, the good unknown. We can reach out to the dark side, 'cause we got helping hands when the troubles don't seem to come to an end. Merci vielmals.
Oh.
RTL, Sintonia der Festivals.
Es ist ganz, ganz neu. Und
Es
es
ist
heißt,
quasi extra für euch geschrieben heute.
ja, kann man so sagen. Es heißt Whispers und es geht so. Fighting for the meaning of our being. What do we try to read?
Fighting for the healing, uncover ceilings. What do we try to be?
Seeking for the reasons of our bleeding. Let the whole truth unleash.
Keeping all the secrets of our feelings. Never to shy to reach out.
What do we hope for?
Whispers,
All of the right words to say. Whispers, all of the right words to say. Whispers, all of the right words to say. Whispers, all of the right words to say, to say, to say. Fighting for the meaning of our being. What do we try to read?
fighting for the healing, uncover ceilings. What do we try to please?
Seeking for the reasons of our bleeding. Let the whole truth unleash.
Keeping all the secrets of our feelings. Never to shy to reach out.
What do we die for? Danke vielmals.
Wow, was für ein schönes Publikum. Ja, wir kommen zu unserem allerletzten Lied für heute Abend. Ja, wir finden, es ist auch ein bisschen schade.
Ein bisschen ist gut.
Man könnte sich daran gewöhnen, auf jeden Fall. Nein, wir kommen zu unserem letzten Lied. Es hat nachher noch ganz viele tolle Bands. Und freuen euch auf die. Können Sie supporten.
Ja. Es heißt Freckles. Freckles and faith and restless and ways to individual. Sent astray by human race, but you're too keen to fall. There's a cold in your lungs and a fire in your head. There are thoughts you can hold it. There is a fear instead of losing control. You remain silent as it's told.
This is a taste of being lost in space, leaving no trace of what it meant, yeah, what it meant at all. And I pray, please, please stay, please don't go away, 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 yeah, away, 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 yeah.
Quaera de las giufnas cantaduras da quaera Anatina avon in publicum scogec remarcabel, also schon det remarcabel per la piem prima band, ad tot fec in bi publicum. De pli bands suonden suente las novitats.